Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and I got a package which is really cool. I actually got the first portion of the package a few days earlier, but I got the rest now, so this is going to be very cool. I think you guys are going to like it. Just give me a minute here. So here it is. Very, very cool. That is just, wow. It's so cool to see one of these boxes. I've never had a full Kirby box this old. I've had, you know, the polisher boxes and the old accessory boxes. Like there's my 508 accessory box, and up there's that's I think that's the Handy Butler or the floor polisher. I can't remember, but yeah. And then you got, yeah, different accessory boxes, but never had a full box like this before. So anyway, I'm gonna untile this string or rope or whatever, and I'll get this thing open. All right, we got the box out successfully. There's the shipping box. So let us open. Okay, carefully set that box right there, or the top of the box. Okay. There's the carrying strap. Okay, we got the original cord. Wow. It's in even better shape than my 519's cord. So it's cleaner. That's nice. It's very nice. It's a lot cleaner than my 519's cord. Wow, there's a Handy Butler tool that you can put stuff on the end of. Ow, that hurt. Little old staple there. A light bulb. Oh, I have light bulbs. Okay. Here's the hose, which does have a little bit of damage, but that's okay. There's the upholstery tool, which is very clean. Looks like it hasn't been used very much. Let's see if I can get the hose out. All right, there's the rest of the hose. Just put that over there for now. And then we got the extension tube, which I don't, wow, it is kind of dirty. It has been used a bit, but it's fine. It's in good shape, very good shape. Okay, so we got the whole Handy Butler core, or not, what am I saying? Handy Butler snake, or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know what they're called. Okay. Okay, here's the handle tube. Very nice. Very clean. Okay. Let's see what else we can dig up here. This is the handle, fork, and grip. I assume it's pretty heavy. All right, here we are. We got the grip, the 2 screws for top and bottom of the handle, the hooks for the bag and cord, the pin that attaches the handle to the machine, and then the fork, the handle fork. I'll get some of this off. That's nice. The belt lifter is very nice too. It's loose, but shouldn't be a problem. Okay, let's get the machine out. Oh my, that's nice. The nozzle is very clean, especially. So let me turn it here. There it is. Might hand polish it a little, but it's looking good. So here is the bag. Time for a reveal. It's an original bag. So do you guys have any guesses as to what this is? There's really only two possible answers according to the bag and to everything you see. Well, here's the owner's manual. This is a Kirby model 517. Still got everything with it, which it's just amazing. There's the owner's manual. It's that pretty lady using her brand new Kirby 517 back in 1957. No other unit can compare with the Kirby. You have the finest. Yeah, that's nice. And you got all the illustrations on how to use it, as well as pictures. That's, wow. Yeah, so there's the crystallator. Got the setup right there for a handy butler. That's really cool. I like that a lot. This is probably a 516. I can tell by the tilt latch right there. It's bright right there. So it's because the 516 had a silver handle tilt latch on it. So this is probably all 516, but it's the same machine, literally. So yeah, there's the setup. Yeah, you see the tilt latch is a 516. But yeah, it's nice. You got the whole diagram of the machine with the attachments. You know, all the different pages. I just want to take a look at this thing because it's just it's cool to see in such good condition. I'm not gonna lie, this grainy picture makes the bag almost look like a speckled one, like one of those. Even though this is before the time that the speckled came out, it's just, it looks like it in the picture because it's kind of grainy. Oh yeah, there's demonstrating how to use the sweet air, all the different setups. Ow. Portable shampooer, power polisher. Ooh, it's getting heavy on that side. How to change the brush roll, how to adjust it, belt replacement. All the good stuff. There's nothing written in here, but it's nice. So this is a Kirby 517 that's completely original still. As far as I know, there's nothing in here that's been replaced. Oh yeah, and then there's like I said, there's the attachment box. It's in pristine condition almost, just like a lot of this stuff. So let's just take a closer look at the Kirby. So we got the bag right there. It's original. The cord's original. Then here's the front of it. Belt's probably disengaged. Oh, it's got the original smooth wheels. The belt's still engaged, I think. I don't know. There's the original metal fan. It spins very good. And then turn it over. There's the bottom of the machine, along with the tag. It's upside down, but yeah, it says 517 on it. Yeah, that's cool. Everything about this machine, as far as I know, is original. I don't think anything on here has been replaced. Well, here she is. All put together. That is nice. It's just wow. It's like my 514 where it's completely factory. And pretty much like my 519. That's very, very nice. Just the back view. A lot of the parts are still clean. This is a very clean machine. I mean, there's still a bit of cleaning I need to do, but it's very clean. So, actually, wait, I'll put it over here. So we got the manual, like I said, and then here's the attachment box that I've had sitting for a few days waiting for the rest of the package. So I can actually start putting stuff in here. Now here's what it looks like on the inside. It's just absolutely spotless in here. It's clean. So I can now put stuff in it, or put stuff back in it. So we got the wand in there. Upholstery tool goes here. Can get it to fit. Okay, there we go. Then the rest of the tools are in here. Here's the wall and ceiling tool, which I see it does have a little crack on one side. That's all right. It's an old tool, and this one, yeah, this was definitely used. This tool. These tools were used a lot because, if I remember, I don't think this had the large. Yeah, this didn't have the large floor tool yet, so this was the floor tool as well as the wall and ceiling tool. So yeah, that's why it's pretty used. It's pretty old looking, because that was the floor tool at the time. I don't think the floor tool came out until the Sanatronics, probably the Sanatronics 7 or the D50, somewhere around there. Maybe even after, I'm not sure. Maybe it wasn't until the one, I'm not sure. I'd have to take another look. So here's the handy butler, still in its box, good shape. Wow. There's some compound that's still sealed. Production sandpaper discs, 5-inch, 3M company. Wow. And then we got this handy sharpener. I like how the bottom portion's more white than the top. Okay. Oh yeah. That's just, wow. That's very cool. It's still in brand new condition. A lot of these handy butlers are in mint condition. It doesn't seem like, not everybody used them, it seems. I don't want to really, I'm not going to lie, I don't really want to take everything out because then I'll forget where they went. So, but that's very, very cool. So let me just move that over. Oh, I forgot to put the compound back in there. It kind of reminds me of a pepperoni stick. Anyway, so we got all the other accessories here. There's the crystallator, which definitely wasn't used. You can tell it's in mint condition. So that would go here. This looks like, and it feels like, yeah, it's the floor polisher. And here it is. This thing is like brand new. Never been used either. Belt lifter is, wow. I mean, even the belt lifter on the Kirby is pristine. They're both pristine. Put that there for right now. So, let's see here. Got the rest of the tools here. This would be the crevice, no, it's the curved wand, which would go in here. I think, okay, yeah. Now here, see what we got in this one. Dusting brush. Wow, that was definitely used. Look at that, it's all worn down. That goes right there. And we got the massage cup, which they definitely used to change a light bulb, I think. Look at it. That or it's just inside out. But I know that people like to turn that inside out and use it to change light bulbs, which is very clever. I'm just gonna turn it back over. No, I can't. It's completely inside out. I don't even know how to bring it back. It's completely, this part should be out here. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna have to keep it like that for now and figure that out later. So, yeah. And here, this is the crevice tool. So this was also used. The common tools were used, which is pretty normal. So we got the crevice tool, and then this, I think this is the blower port, the blower coupler. Yeah, it is. So there's how you would connect the hose up to use as a blower, which that goes here. Okay. Just a little bit left to open. This is the carrying handle. There it is. These were metal still, which is very cool, and it's painted. If I remember correctly, I think the plastic one came out on the, I don't know, sometime in the early 60s. It was either one of the last red Kirby's, like it was either like the 561 or it was the, I don't know, it was around the early 60s that they went from the metal to plastic. So that would go here. So there we go. I should probably get the carrying strap. The carrying strap goes right here. I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, that's in there now. We don't have much more to open here. That's just a empty bag. Okay, so that's also empty. This is the hose port, the hose coupler. The main coupler that would connect the hose up to the Kirby, and that goes right here. It's got a seal on it still. And then, last but not least, we got the floor buffer, or not buffer, the floor duster tool, the bare floor attachment that you put on the bottom of the nozzle. So, floor duster, so that would go in here. And then, crevice tool, yeah, perfect. Now the attachments are all together now in their correct spots. So I can now close this. So voila, we've got that all set. I'm gonna make another video of me testing this 517, but I'm so pleased with it. It is nice. So there it is. There's the whole shebang with the mini butler and everything. So thanks for watching, and I'm gonna have another video on this, so stay tuned.